Hey everyone, this is Noah with the Life of the Zigs, coming back at you with a video on how to install LED lights on your ride-on lawnmower. So let's get started. Alright, so this is actually a super easy thing to do to your ride-on lawnmower or zero-turn lawnmower or just anything that has a 12-volt battery in general. You can do this too. Also, I just want to say that the main reason why I'm doing this is because I do use this thing at night. Some people may not ever use their lawnmowers at night. I do plow snow with this in the winter time, and I do sometimes have to pick up leaves at night during the fall. So these LEDs will definitely help me out. Talking about the project itself, in total, it took me about 4 hours to complete this. I put 4 separate LED light bars on. They're about 7 inches wide. I got them off Amazon for $20 in total. I'll link them in the description down below. And then for wiring and switches, I just had some lying around, but I'll put those in the description down below of what I use. As you can tell in the video, I already got the 3 light bars in the front mounted. Just pick a spot where you want to mount them and then just put the brackets on and feed the wires through the back. And you could adjust where they're actually facing later on when it's dark out. The next step here is wiring everything together. So I took the 3 LED lights in the front and I wired them together, so I had one positive line and one negative line. I took the negative, ran that directly to the battery, and I took the positive line, ran that to the switch, which I mounted right by my steering wheel, which you'll see me do here later, and then ran that to the battery. And that switch is rated for 6 amps at 120 volts. These lights I think are 2 amps at 12 volts, so that switch is easily rated for that power to go through it. The nice thing about wiring up this lawnmower is there's a lot of room to put your wire places, so it's really easy. You kind of could just chase other wires and zip tie it to other wires, which is kind of what I did, but you can really do whatever you want, run your wires however you feel the best is. I just ran it down the side following the current headlight wires that went up to the ignition switch. So the front 3 LED lights are done, and I'm going to put one in the back, and the one in the back is going to be on its own separate switch. I did this solely for hooking up my trailer in the back, which you can see I have a little 2-inch ball to pull my trailer around with this. It also helps with using that leaf vac, which I have in the shot right there, just being able to turn that motor on and off and adjust some controls on it at night. So again, with this wiring, I'm just taking it and running it down the right side of the lawnmower. There are some little connection points where another wire was hooked to, so I just kind of chased that down and zip tied that wire to that other wire. One thing I want to touch on real quick is I'm using crimp connectors. So basically you splice the ends of the wires to expose the copper wiring, and then you put the crimp connector over top of the wire and then crimp down, and then I used heat shrink over top of it to just seal that splice up a little bit better and keep it protected from the elements. With that being said, this video is coming to an end. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Give it a try if you want, and remember to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video.